Hi, I'm Dolphy and welcome to my home. Hi, I'm a working professional, a mother of a 3-year-old, and as you can see, the second one would be arriving very soon. Decorating spaces is something that I do out of passion. I love making the spaces beautiful, at the same time maintaining the functionality of the space. As a kid, I've grown up decorating my parents' home. At that time, I was really on a budget, so DIYs was the only option that I had, and I ended up becoming a DIY guru. I can say that. So as we enter the house, so this is the first area that you see. This is the foyer area, a little nook that I have created in the house. So there was no dedicated foyer area in this apartment, and what I've done is I've added a console in the real shade of wood. The laminate which I have picked is the real shade of wood. I've added this beautiful golden handles, and to bounce off the light coming from the balcony, I've added this big round mirror with a golden rim. So as you can see, the whites are mostly white and beige. I've used the real shades of wood in the fixed furniture. The decor pieces that I have used are mostly in the earthy tones, and obviously to add a little greenery, I've added little greens in the space. And these are some of the gifts that I've received as a housewarming gift. So I love to display the gifts that I receive from my friends and family, and that is how I have created this space. So going towards this side, this is the living area. For the sofa, I really went bold with the color. The minute I saw this mulberry pink sofa, I just fell in love with the color. I know it is a very bold choice for the entire living room, so that is the reason I have kept everything very minimalistic and plain. The curtains are also in the neutral shade, the walls are also in neutral shade, and to tone down the color a little bit, I've added a blush pink throw on the sofa. I have added, to make the entire look a little cohesive, I have added these cushions with the shades of mulberry pink in it. To go with this bold and electric mulberry pink sofa, I have chosen this beautiful accent chair in the floral print. So I feel it really goes well with the mulberry pink sofa. To keep the space flowing and to keep the space open, I've chosen a bench for that side, so it doesn't obstruct the vertical view of the living area. And it is actually a multifunctional furniture piece. So it has a hidden storage where I keep all my home decor items. So easily I can pull out those items and put them on display while making the videos. So for the coffee table, I have opted for this beautiful marble top nested table. So usually I keep it as stacked on top of one another so that my daughter has a lot of space to roam around, play around in the house, and whenever we have friends and family coming over, it just opens up into two nice tables, and we have ample coffee table space. So I would really love to talk about the TV panel which I have designed myself. So this is like my vision coming to life. Again, to complement the marble look of the coffee table, I've kept the laminate as the marble finish laminates. As you can see, I have used gold as an accent color for this room because a little bit touch of luxury is what this mulberry pink sofa demanded. So to complement or to give that touch of luxury, I've used tints of gold in the fans, in the rim of the mirror, in the console table handles, the TV panel, even the golden plate that you see on the coffee table, and the cushion cover also has slight golden threads in it. So this gold accent color ties up the whole look very well and gives this room a much more cohesive look. I am someone who loves to collect cane items, so anything that resonates with nature has my heart. So I got this beautiful hanging planter from Staple East. It's an Instagram store, online store. So you can see there are not many decor pieces in my home. I usually love to add that liveliness with the plants, and the planters are mostly in the earthy shades. So these are two beautiful cane planters that I have, and I really love them and take care of them just like my babies. So my living space opens up into a dining space and kitchen area. So I have carried the same theme in this room as well. White and beige walls. The laminates are in the shades of real wood. The dining table that I have opted for is again in solid wood. It is again a multi-functional space-saving furniture piece that I have. It is a 4-seater dining table which opens up into a beautiful 6-seater dining table whenever we have friends and family coming over. So there is no specific color that I have introduced in this space because I wanted to go for a neutral palette. So I have a huge crockery collection, so I love putting my crockery on display. So usually I just keep swapping the different colored crockery pieces that I own, and I love dining table styling, and that is how I love to design my space or style my space. And this is the focal point or the focal wall of this room. So I've added this beautiful matte black wall clock, oversized wall clock in this room. So I think it gives the much needed depth and the focus to this space. And this is the island counter, which serves as a double platform. So again, in this area as well, I've added tints of gold, as you can see in the cutlery as well, this hanging light as well. And to add on to the luxury factor, I've introduced fluted glass. So the lights are fluted glass, the kitchen cabinets are fluted glass. My decanter from IKEA also has fluted glass. So it gives that much needed feel of luxury to this overall space. Coming over to this side, this frame is very close to our hearts. This is actually my husband's grandmother's portrait. So it's a hand-painted portrait. We really wanted a big picture of hers in this house. So it has been gifted by one of our family friends. So he's an artist, and we just adore how beautifully he has recreated this picture. So this is the temple area of the house, and what you see over here is almost 100 years old real Shisham wood temple, which has been passed over the generations to us. So this is very close to my in-laws' heart, and I hope I have done real justice to this place. So I've added MDF cut jali on both the ends to create that to create the shadows of light and the beautiful pattern. And yeah, this is how the entire space looks. Hi, so this is my daughter's room. So this is the space that we have created for the little one that will be coming soon. And as I told you, I'm a DIY person. I saw something similar on Pinterest, so I've created a baby mobile for the little one that would be coming. And this is actually a space which me and my daughter have designed together. So even though I wanted to keep the theme as sage green and beige, no wonder you'll see a lot of pink in this room, thanks to Ahana. So this corner is truly her happy place. This is our entire soft toy collection. Trust me, what you see is only the half part of it. I literally had to take off half of her soft toy so that at least you can see what is kept over here. So she doesn't let us touch any of these soft toys. She is obsessed with Panchtantra stories and the characters. So the artwork had to resonate with that. So my Masi is an artist. So this is something I saw on Pinterest, and she has created these hand painted artworks for us. So I am really thankful to her. And this is a floor bed that we have planned in this room, so that she can utilize the entire space for playing, as you can see. And what is there just behind you is her lounging nook. Here she loves to read, chill, play her guitar, and that is how she loves to spend her time, most of the time coloring. So Anna, you want to play the guitar? This is the space that I'm really proud of, because this truly defines when I say I have literally utilized each and every dead corner of this apartment, and I have turned it into a functional space. So you can see it is hardly a 8 inches deep space where I've put this IKEA shoe rack to store all my footwear, which I don't think I have even worn in the last 1 year. And these are the beautiful frames that I've added in this space. So capsulating, I think, my most cherished memories of life. So these are the first thing that I see in the morning once I get out of my room. And to maintain that earthy decor element, I've added a cane hanging light and a cane planter over there, and as usual the decor pieces are mostly the plants. So this is my bedroom, my zen place where I relax, I unwind. As you can see, the same theme is carried forward in this room as well. The walls are white and beige. The woodwork that I have got done is in the real shade of wood. So here I have given the feel of shisham wood with long black matte finish handles. So black is the accent color that I've chosen for this room. The curtains, I would really like to talk about the curtains, because these are custom made. I found something similar on Pinterest but couldn't find it anywhere, so I bought plain white curtains from IKEA and got them dyed in this exact shade of peach, which I wanted. So the space, so I am someone who believes there has to be side tables on both the sides. So as a space saving, again multi-purpose this thing, I have created this I truly believe that home is a very personal space, and it should ideally be a reflection of your own personality, your own style. And this is one thing that you should keep in mind while designing your own space. I hope you really liked my home tour video, and to follow more such videos, please subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter. Thank you.